Hi everyone, welcome back to MellowBites. Today we are super excited to unbox something that every traveler, student and on-the-go professional will love. The CarryPro, a sleek 40-liter functional travel backpack designed for both men and women. Let's dive in. Before even we unwrap this bag, here we find the stickers. It's so colorful and pretty, and you can see Move like a pro, pro creator, the pro squad, follow your heart, live a pro life, and lots of fun words. We also have a warranty card that gives a warranty coverage for 2 years, and we have to register it within 10 days of our purchase. Now let's unwrap this bag. It's beautifully wrapped in a plastic cover. Let's take this off, and here we go. The first thing we notice is how compact and well packed it is. Inside the wrap, we can see this congrats card with all the social media handle of this particular brand. Let's put this aside and see how beautiful this bag is. Look at these 2 hooks. This hook is definitely easy to remove and close, and now we have to remove this just to see other amenities. Let's check. This is on both sides, and let's start seeing what other amenities are there in this bag. Onto the side, there's a zipper bag on the outside. It's great for water bottles, umbrellas, or quick sanitizers or something that's essential and needs a quick grab. It's nice with a zipper too. This side packets comes on both sides and it's a great add-on. Let's close this zip. Not only that, you have 2-sided mesh bags, both for keeping your water bottles that small. And now let's open the main compartment. Here we go. Look at this. It's a pull-on style. It's just like pull on this thread and you can open it. It's easy to handle. This is a old-fashioned method, but it looks so nice. Onto the top, there's a mesh zipper bag. It's strong. You can put your charger wires, power banks, or whatever extra accessories you have. And look at this inside. It's deep. You can put your tablet, iPads. Look at this main compartment. Wow, look at the space. You can easily pack clothes for 2 to 3 days trip or use it as your everyday carry with extra room for gym gear, books, files, you name it. Onto the front of the bag, there's also an additional zip on both sides. Wow, that's a beautiful extra travel accessory. This pouch is really good. It's good to hold your mobile into it. This free travel pouch is a little addition that's perfect for organizing toiletries, cables, or even some snacks on the go. This front zipper bag is really beneficial. Look at it. These well-segmented compartments keep everything organized. This front zipper pocket is too ideal for your boarding pass, wallet, or anything you need in a hurry. You also get these extra grab handles on the top and the sides, which make it easy to carry the bag in duffel mode. Very handy at airport check-ins or even crowded stations. So you can see that there are 2-way access, one through the side zip and one through the main. It's just up to us to use whichever is easy and needed at that moment. It comes with a dedicated padded sleeve that fits laptops up to 15.6 inches, safely secured with a strap. That's a big plus for digital nomads, students, and professionals. Whether you're heading on a weekend trip, a business journey, or just need a smart everyday bag, this one promises to tick all the right boxes. These handles are really good, and look at this. We can just adjust to our needs and just put it compact on our bag. There is also a side tag where you can hold this and put it on your hip so that you don't feel the weight of the bag. Look at this. There is also a back zipper. The design is looking minimalistic and modern with a matte finish fabric that instantly feels premium to the touch. And hidden at the base of the backpack is this duck rain cover. Lightweight, easy to pull over the bag, and it covers every inch to keep your gear dry in unexpected weather. So let's wrap it out. This solid all-rounder CarryPro backpack is stylish, functional, smartly designed and built with features travelers actually need. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a weekend wanderer, or a busy student or a professional, this backpack offers just the right blend of space, utility, and comfort. And if you are ready to travel smarter, check out the link in the description to grab this CarryPro backpack. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to MellowBites for more product reviews, unboxing and travel finds. Meet you in another video. Bye.